What is going on, boys? What is going on? We have a lot to discuss. Old Trump has come with his tariffs and he is ruining the day. He is not happy. He is not happy. Well, sorry, more importantly, he is not making me very happy at the minute with all Ethereum. I don't know if you've seen Ethereum recently, but she's getting beat. She is getting beat down to a pulp. She is getting beat down to a pulp. She is getting bullied. Okay? If anyone can help me with this webcam before we get started, it would be greatly appreciated. Look how washed out I look and white. I don't know how to set the lighting up for these webcams. I've tried turning my light off in the room and put the one on the back. It just looks shit. I don't know how to sort this out. I'm sort of very new to this kind of stuff, and it would be greatly appreciated if someone could help, because I'm getting fed up with having shit quality on these. So anyway, without further ado, let's get stuck right into today's update video. We're going to have a little look around the market and see what the crack is. First of all, let's have a look at our gamma levels for today. So our gamma levels on SPX, you can see these are pretty much obsolete for support and resistance levels today, because the market has gapped down so much. But here's a very, very quick outlook for you. We got our current price apparently is coming in at 6,003 or 6,030. Or 6,040 was the spot price, and yeah, apparently our support is 6,050. Yeah, well, good luck with that. We're going to be in major negative gamma when we open up today, so the market's probably going to squeeze a bit lower. Let's have a look at the Ethereum chart, guys. This is what even just looking at that. That is absolutely brutal. Okay, absolutely brutal. Look how white and washed out I am now whenever my face is lit up by this. I don't know how to fix that. I really don't, but we're gonna have to find out. This chart, guys, that is just nuts. And Ethereum is one of my largest holdings. This hurts. From this swing high to that swing low, 37% crash in Ethereum. Wow. If I was awake, we actually took out this low, I believe. This low was at 2,150, and this low was at 2,150. It was we touched the same low to the absolute penny. Oh my goodness, guys, that is nuts. If I was awake during this, I definitely would have loaded up on some ETH. We can see right now we've bounced 20%. We've had a 20% bounce on Ethereum. What? Let me have a look at the 1 hour chart. Oh my goodness. The 1 minute chart, what did that look like in the 1 minute? Oh my goodness. In 1 minute, Ethereum dumped 10%. If I was awake during that, I probably would have questioned my livelihood, to be honest. That is just insanity. Okay, well, let's check out some Bitcoin, because Bitcoin matters. I'm going to show you guys the key levels on this we got to look out for. So here's Bitcoin. You can see we're actually right back in this wedge. This is not good. We want to see us close at about $55,000 to $56,000 today. This is not good that we're back into this, although we are holding demand. We're bouncing out of that there beautifully. However, I do want to go over what I'm seeing in this chart and where our next ranges are. So if I get up a clean Bitcoin chart for you, let's open up a Bitstamp one. Oh, that is the Bitstamp one. Let's open up a Coinbase. Okay, it's clearly not working. Usually that does. Let's delete this. So what we could see is we've actually got this range coming in about, if I just get a little box up, this range here. We've got this range. We got this range. And we got this range. These are our zones. Okay. These are the zones for support for Bitcoin. I don't think we're going to come down here to 74,000, but it could very well happen. We're just back to the range low when you look at it. People say, oh, Bitcoin's going to zero. We're going to zero. The bear market started. No, guys, we're just in reality back to the range low where we were like 2 weeks ago. So not much has happened. Bear in mind, we literally hit an all-time high like a week and a half ago. So, I'm just gonna have a sip of my tea here while I explain this, because really, guys, there's nothing to panic about yet. And I do mean yet, because this could definitely come and break down. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. You can see the 1 hour chart again. We have seen this lovely bounce off this zone, and it is starting to push back up to the moving averages. We gotta see a big push here, guys. We've really gotta start to see a push. And yeah, this is all due to Trump getting locked into a new trade war with these tariffs. If I bring up, we're not going to get political in this channel, so we're not going to discuss if I believe that it's the right choices or not. But if I bring up a chart of ES, here's the stock market. So you can see this humongous gap down. We actually had a gap down overnight of, to the low, 2.2% or 2.14%. That's crazy. You can see it is starting to bounce here a bit, but again, how long is this going to last? Pre-market is going to be extremely bloody today, unfortunately. That's just the way it's going to be. We can actually look at some other crypto charts too. I think XRP got absolutely hammered. It did, but oh my god, XRP, it just loves to bounce. That's just crazy. What did XRP? Oh my god, XRP dropped to $1.78. Oh my god. It's up 36%. Guys, it's up 36%. Oh my goodness, why was I asleep during this? Why was I asleep? Solana? $176. Why was I asleep? This simply isn't fair. Dog, yeah, dog disappeared. That's just gone. That was that little meme coin that I bought that I've been bag holding. Down 80%. And that's why we don't touch meme coins. ADA, oh my god. 55 cents. That's crazy, guys. That is crazy. Since Friday, it's at 43%, and then right now, back up 26 or 24. That's just mental. To be fair, though, very good sign that we're seeing all these buyers come back through. I have to say, seeing these humongous wicks to the downside, that is very, very good. That is showing us some insane strength, which I like. We have a huge Bitcoin CME gap right now, up to $102,000. So what you're probably going to find, well, 95% of the time or whatever, these CME gaps always fill. So what a CME gap is when the futures market closes on Bitcoin, but obviously the spot price never closes. So you can have this discrepancy. The futures price can close here, and the spot price can do this over the weekend. It can go up and down, up and down, up and down. And what's happened in this case is the futures market is closed at 102,000, and the spot price has went like this, fell off a cliff. So there's a gap, and that gap usually fills with a 95% chance over the next few days. So what we could likely see is Bitcoin having a humongous bounce back to the very close moving averages, having a pull back to 102, filling that CME gap, and then having further continuation to the downside. Now obviously that's speculation, we don't know, but usually those CME gaps do fill. So obviously, guys, we're not going to be able to update the charts on Tesla or Nvidia or anything yet because those markets aren't open. But I do believe, I can't type, I've got fat fingers. This is going to be a bloody open. And I'm so ready for it. I have a lot of cash right now. MicroStrategy is going to be bloody. It is going. I have a 230 put, I think, on MicroStrategy open. I think MicroStrategy could certainly be down near 270. It could even be at this low, 286. This is going to be very interesting. But we have an SMST position, so I'm ready for this thing to fall. And you guys know that. And I got called an idiot for trying to short this thing. I mean, who's laughing now? That's all I can say. I'm up a couple $1,000 in that position on my larger account. See, look how washed out I am. It's really annoying. Can't lie, it's really annoying. Anyway, in another news, Bitcoin actually had the largest liquidation it has ever seen. Ever. $2.2 billion wrecked in the crypto market over the last week? Over the last 24 hours. Insane. Absolutely insane. That is nuts. Absolutely nuts. But there you go. It has been a violent experience. The liquidation heat map, where are we seeing liquidity? Pretty much all of the downside liquidity is gone. We have grabbed all of that liquidity. Upside liquidity lying right at 98,000, 100,000, and the biggest chunk is between $102,000 and $104,000. That is where the liquidity is. Bitcoin likes to touch it. Are we going to come back up and try and grab some of this liquidity, especially around the $98,500 level? That would be nice. That would be nice. It would help me get out of some of my IBIT covered calls this week. Hopefully those shares can get called away. If not, I'll just sell more for another couple $1,000s each month. Works for me. And I'm not complaining because I'm just collecting cash, bringing it through the door. It is absolutely unreal. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Anyway, that was our quick update video. What am I doing? I'm buying crypto. That's all I'm saying. I'm buying crypto, especially Ethereum. On this pullback, unfortunately I missed this gargantuan drop, and that was the whole Trump rally that just wiped off. But I am buying, so remember that, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, super quick little story actually before I go. I know I keep saying thanks for watching, see you later, but quick story. I'm on jury duty today. I don't know if anyone's done that. I don't know if that's a thing in the US, but in the UK, all citizens are actually obliged to stand in the jury in court and do something where we decide if someone's guilty or not, and we have no say in it. Like, we get called for it and we have to go do it. I don't know if that's the same elsewhere. It'd be pretty interesting. If so, drop a comment, let me know where you're listening from, let me know if you made it to this stage in the video, and let me know, do you have jury duty in your country? And if you do, can you get out of it? Because I can't, and it's annoying me. I'd rather trade, guys. I'd rather trade. Anyway, take it easy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.